Welcome to Pydle, a daily Python puzzle game. You solve the puzzle by writing Python code, and this is designed to teach you how to program in Python. Today's puzzle is a colorful little picture, a brown cross on a blue background, and then green at the bottom. I hope you enjoy solving this little puzzle. As usual, we'll go back to yesterday's puzzle, which was Pydle number 7. It continued on the theme of playing card suits. This is like a crude representation of spades. There's not much you can do in a 5x5 little picture. Now, this is quite similar to Pydle 6. So if we go back to Pydle 6 and just look at that code, if you go back then to Pydle 7, that code would be copied. So we are ready. I'm just going to remove the last line because that was the bottom part of the diamond. And I'm going to change that to black just to see where we are. Okay. Run that. And we are halfway there. Now, as you can see, the top part is just repeated again. For the bottom, it kind of looks like a little stand for a chandelier or something. So let's just copy that line over, and then we will have to offset that by 3 pixels. So if you do I plus 3, now before I complete that, I'm just going to change the color to red so we still have a chance to edit that, because I just want to do one more thing. Run that. You can see it is basically the puzzle completed just in red. Now what I wanted to do is actually do some bounds checking. Now Pydle doesn't care if you're out of bounds, so because we're just repeating the top part of the spade, it means the bottom one is drawn but it's just out of bounds. So let's do some bounds checking, which is a good practice if you are actually doing real software engineering, real programming in Python. So how we do that? So we do an if statement, if I, and what are the bounds? It goes from 0 to 0 to 2. So basically say if I smaller than 2, we want to miss out the last row there. Just a colon. So if I is smaller than 2, then draw that, and we're going to do that in black just to make it visible. And that is today's puzzle solved. Hope you enjoy solving today's Pydle, and good luck.